The BMW XM, the car that's got everything you need and then some. Did you know that the new XM can parallel park itself in just 3.5 seconds? Yeah, you heard that right. This car is smarter than some of our X's. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride, packed with all the juicy details about the new BMW XM. The BMW XM has been designed with a sleek, aerodynamic body that will turn heads wherever you go. With curves in all the right places and a sporty, aggressive look, you'll feel like you're driving a race car, not a family sedan. The BMW XM has a bold, sporty design that exudes confidence on the road. Its aerodynamic body is made from lightweight materials, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The sleek lines and curves of the XM give it a unique, stylish look that sets it apart from other cars in its class. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine that'll have you accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. And, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, you'll be flying down the highway like a superhero. The engine is paired with an advanced transmission system that provides smooth shifting and optimal fuel efficiency. The BMW XM is packed with the latest technology to make your driving experience as comfortable and convenient as possible. It features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large, clear touch-screen display. You'll have access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features all in one place. And, of course, the self-parking feature is a game-changer, making parallel parking a breeze. Safety is always a top priority for BMW, and the XM is no exception. With a range of advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you and your passengers are protected. The BMW XM is designed for maximum comfort, with luxurious leather seats and a spacious cabin. Whether you're driving across town or across the country, you'll arrive feeling refreshed and relaxed. The seats are adjustable in multiple directions, providing support and comfort on even the longest of journeys. The cabin is also designed to reduce road and wind noise, so you can enjoy a peaceful and relaxing ride. The exterior of the new BMW XM is designed to be stylish, sporty, and aerodynamic. Here are some of the key features. The BMW XM has a bold and distinctive design that sets it apart from other luxury cars. It features a sleek, aerodynamic body that is both stylish and functional, reducing wind resistance and improving performance. The BMW XM is equipped with LED lighting that provides bright and efficient illumination. The headlights, taillights, and fog lights are designed to complement the sleek lines of the car and to enhance visibility. The BMW XM features sporty accents like a bold grille, large alloy wheels, and a low, aggressive stance that give it a high-performance look. The car is also available with a range of optional aerodynamic packages that further enhance its sporty appearance. The BMW XM is available in a wide range of colors, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. From bold, vibrant hues to subtle, sophisticated shades, there's a color to match every taste. The BMW XM also features a large, panoramic sunroof that provides an open, airy feel to the cabin. The sunroof can be open to let in natural light and fresh air, or closed for a more private and quiet driving experience. The interior of the BMW XM is designed to provide a luxurious, comfortable, and high-tech driving experience. Here are some of the key features. The BMW XM is equipped with spacious, leather-lined seats that are both comfortable and supportive. The front seats are power-adjustable and have multiple settings, so you can find the perfect position for your driving comfort. The rear seats are also spacious and comfortable, providing plenty of room for passengers. The dashboard of the BMW XM is sleek and modern, with an intuitive design that makes it easy to use. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. The controls are positioned for easy access, so you can quickly and easily adjust the temperature, audio, or other settings. The BMW XM uses high-quality materials throughout the cabin, from the leather-lined seats to the fine wood or metal accents. The materials are carefully selected to provide a premium look and feel, and to ensure long-lasting durability. The BMW XM is equipped with an advanced climate control system that provides optimal comfort. The air conditioning is powerful and efficient, and can be easily adjusted to your desired temperature. The heated and ventilated seats provide additional comfort, especially on cold or hot days. The BMW XM also features ambient lighting that adds a warm, inviting glow to the cabin. The lights can be adjusted to different colors and brightness levels, creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. The pricing for the BMW XM can vary depending on the specific model, options, and location. However, on average, the starting price for the base model BMW XM can be around $50,000 to $60,000. This price can increase depending on the options and packages selected, with top-of-the-line models reaching $80,000 or more. It's important to keep in mind that the BMW XM is a luxury car, and its pricing reflects the high-quality materials, advanced technology, and superior performance that it offers. If you're in the market for a high-end vehicle, the BMW XM is definitely worth considering. Keep in mind that the actual price of the BMW XM can vary from dealership to dealership, so it's always a good idea to do some research and compare prices before making a purchase. Additionally, you may be able to negotiate the price or take advantage of special promotions and financing options to get the best deal. So there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the new BMW XM. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it's no wonder that this car is taking the world by storm. So why not step into the future and take a test drive today? Trust us, you won't be disappointed. And, as always, drive safe and have fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.